So how do we convert a mixed fraction into a top-heavy fraction? We don't always want to have the fraction left in the form 2 whole and 3/7. We might actually want to change it to a top-heavy fraction or a mixed fraction form, a non-mixed fraction form. How do we do that? Well, we know that this is equivalent to 2 whole pizzas, and then our final pizza has been cut up into 7ths. And we have 3 of them. 1, 2, 3. Well, this whole would be 7/7 of a pizza, and this whole would be 7/7 of a pizza, and this whole would be 3/7 of a pizza. We have the same denominator on all of the fractions, so we're adding in 7ths, and then we could just think of adding 7 plus 7 plus 3, giving us 7 plus 7, 14, 14 plus 3, 17. So this would be equivalent to the top-heavy fraction of 17/7. This method takes quite a long time, so I want to teach you a simpler one. The method is that you first multiply 7 by 2. 7 multiplied by 2 equals 14. So this is step 1, multiplying the bottom two numbers. Then step 2 is that you add those two numbers that you found. So let me show you. 7 times 2 is 14, but 14 plus 3 equals 17. So our answer ends up being 17/7. Let's take a few more to show you and demonstrate that fact. What can you see? Well, you can see that you get exactly the same answer of 17/7, which dependent of which method you're using. But this method is really quite useful if you've got really big fractions. Let's say that we've got 7 whole and 1/9. And we need to convert this to a top-heavy fraction. Well, 7 times 9 is 63. 63 plus 1 is 64. So 7 and 1/9 is the same as 64/9. Quite a useful technique to be able to use. What about the opposite of this technique then? Well, if I would like to convert the top-heavy fraction 64/9 back to mixed fraction form, how do I do it? Well, I think, how many times does 9 go into 63? Well, it goes 7 9s are 63, so it goes 7 times, and there is 1 left over from the 64 that we had. So the 1 left over is left over as 1/9. So we have 7 whole and 1/9 in 64/9. So you can go backwards and forwards here between the two as many times as you like until you've learnt the technique. Thank you.